automated advanced machine can bounce up to 4,000 pieces of radish per hour. It also reduces 50% labor cost and burns up to 14 rows at a time. Agricultural heavy lift spray drone can spray up to 20 kg of pesticides on the plant at once. Pole climbing tool with better grip can reduce human effort and increase working speed.
Okay.
Being locked in a cage together, poultry birds will pick each other to death. That's why debagging machine is used to trim poultry bags quickly. Arid land is being watered from irrigation canal using PVC pipes and water siphon system. Round-shaped strawberry machine is warping 80 kg and 65 pieces bales per hour. Mind-blowing machine makes harvest and process fruit more easier. Skilled workers use mind-blowing technique to harvest 80,000 pounds of banana in a short time. This worker can quickly unload cement bags from truck and arrange in a neat way. Long-range diesel spray gun is used to automatically clean thousands of solar panels. Motor-operated firewood bundling device always deliver outstanding performance. Winch and winger machine is designed for easily plow sloping land on the hillsides. Water pressure twist rocket can be used to make watering in the garden faster. Traction wires are easily made by pushing hydraulic pressure between two metal blocks. Chinese grapefruit inserted into a wasted bag to form 5 to 6 inches giant size.